Two squirrels eating Cheerios. I decided to put Cheerios out there because they've been trying to get on my bird feeder because I put bird feeders up now. And they can't reach it, so I put little Cheerios out there for them, for these guys. And there's two of them eating it. There's one right there. And there's the other one. They love their Cheerios. And my cat Charlotte is she loves watching them. She's just sitting there enjoying watching the birds and the squirrels. Rocky does too, but it's funny, her and Rocky be fighting over that spot a lot, so they could both watch. But today, Charlotte's got them, and she's enjoying watching them. Entertains cats. There's two. Sometimes there's like yeah, I'm serious. I could just watch this all day long. They do that sometimes. They chase each other. You got my bird feeder up right there. And that one. The woodpeckers love this one. The suet. And there's my squirrel friends. Oh, there's Rocky behind me. Rocky! She's on top of the Christmas tree. There's Miss Charlotte again. I hope you guys enjoy this type of videos, watching the cats, watching the wildlife critters. It's a beautiful thing. I love watching other people do it, so I'm doing it myself, and I enjoy showing this content with you guys. But anyways, if y'all like these type of videos, pets and plants, please feel free to give me the like, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you ain't already, and hit the notification bell so you get all of my videos as soon as they come out. Until the next one, may y'all have yourselves a blessed day. And there's the birds up there. And may y'all stay safe out there. May God bless each and every one of you. Bye.